Now see on the board, percentage, your exercise 8.3. First is convert the following fractions into percentage. First two things you have to remember in your mind always. First, fraction change into percentage, and percentage change into fraction. Okay, so always remember in your mind, when you change fraction into percentage, what you have to do, fraction, so you have to multiply with 100. Write this formula. When you change fraction into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. And when percentage convert into fraction, you have to divide with 100. Okay, you have to divide with 100. Write in your copy so that you can remember. Okay, fraction, percentage, fraction to percentage means when your question is convert the fraction into percentage. When question is when you take out the percentage, then you have to multiply with 100. Okay, means जब आपको percentage निकालनी है आपको multiply 100 करना है. And when percentage is given and you have to take out the fraction, then you have to divide with 100. Then you have to divide with 100. Always remember in your mind. If you think, if you remember these two things, you can do easily any question. Okay. Now, first question, see the first question. First is convert the following fraction into percentage. Now, the small thing is fraction change into percentage. Fraction change into percentage. First question is 7 upon 10. Okay, so this is a fraction. This is a fraction. Now, how you change into percentage? What we have to do? We have to multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. So, 1 0 and 1 0 cut. So, 7 tens are 70. 70 is your answer, 70%. What is the answer? 70%. Understood? See the next. Yes, good. Next is 13 upon 25. Again, this is a fraction. You have to change into percentage. So what you have to do? You have to multiply with 100. So cut it. 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. So 13 fours are 52%. Understood all of you? Yes, very good. All of you understood the formula? Only you have to remember when you read the question carefully, you have to write this. Fraction change into percentage. Fraction change into percentage. Very good. Now see the second question. Second question again, read out. Convert the decimal into percentage. Now decimal change into percentage means we have to take out the percentage, no? So what we do, when you take out the percentage, you have to multiply with 100. Okay? So 0.334. This is a decimal. First you change into fraction, remove decimal and write 1000. Why 1000? Because after decimal, how many numbers? 3 numbers. After decimal, how many numbers? 3 numbers. So 3 numbers. We put 3 zeros down. Now this is a fraction. Now how you change into percentage? Multiply by 100. So cut 2 zeros, cut 2 zeros. So what is the answer? Cut 1 zero and put point up after one number. So your answer is 33.4%. 33.4%. Clear? Yes, see one more. See one more. Wait. Okay. Now the next question is, if I write 1.24, okay, so remove the first decimal, remove the decimal. If we remove the decimal, we put 100 because after point, two numbers only. So after point, you count the numbers and put zeros down. So it is 124 upon 100. Now multiply by 100. So cut 100 with 100. What is your answer? 124%. 124%. Understood now? Good. It means you understood well. Very good. See one more. See one more. Have you written? Yes. See one more. If I write 0.67. So first remove the decimal and write upon 100. Okay. Written. Then you have to multiply with the 100. Then cut 100. What is the answer? 67%. Clear? 67%. Samanya, 67% beta, not 67 only. Okay. Priyanshi, what is your doubt? Yes, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
Priyanshi.
explain this one? 0.334 upon 1000.
0.334
upon 1000.
upon 1000. I have explained na, 0 point we have to remove. Point
Yes,
हटाया
ma'am.
तभी नहीं 1000 आया ना.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So multiply with 100. So cut two zeros. So 10 is left. 10 is
Yes.
left. So you have to cut 10 and put point after one number from the
Okay.
Urdu side, from the right hand side.
Right
Okay.
hand.
So your answer is 33.4%. नीचे कोई भी zero नहीं रखना हमने. So you have to cut the remaining zeros and put point up.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, हमें जो नीचे जितने भी जीरो है हमें सारे जीरोस कट करने हैं.
Yes, yes. You have to cut all zeros.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now the next question is question number 3. Convert each of the following ratios into percentage. Now ratio change into percentage. Ratio, now ratio change into percentage. Always remember ratio is, we will write ratio in the form of fraction. So first is 3:4. So how we write ratio? 3/4. First number in the numerator, second number in the denominator. So 3/4. Again, we have to take out the percentage. So what we have to do? Multiply by 100. Okay. Now cut it. 4 ones are 4. 4 25s are 100. So multiply it. 25 threes are 75%. Okay. Yes, very good. So now you understood when you take out the percentage, you have to multiply with 100. Always remember, when you take out the percentage, you have to multiply with 100. Okay. Next, if I write 9:16, 9:16. So how we'll write? 9/16 multiply by 100. Yes, good, Diksha. Now cut it. Cut with the 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 5 is 10. 0 50. Then again you have to cut it. 2 4 are 2 25 are. तो कितना हो गया? 25 multiply by 9. All of you do and tell me the answer. 25 nines are 225. Very good. So answer is 225 upon 4%. Now you have to take out in decimal. Take out in decimal. Points में कर लो इसको. So what is the answer in decimal? Yes. 56.25. Very good. Very good. So answer is 56.25. When you divide 56.25%. 56.25%. You have to put percent at the end. Yes. Understood? Yes. Very good. Very good, Manat, Diksha. Yes. Yes, Vedika Parma. If you have any doubt. Okay. Now do the next question. Question number 4. Convert each of the following percentage into decimal. अब यहां से उल्टा शुरू हो गया. Okay. Percentage convert into decimal. इसमें क्या फॉर्मूला था? We have to divide by 100. Now we have to divide by 100. Yes. Now first question is 28%. अब देखो क्वेश्चन में परसेंट लगा है. In question there is a percent. So we remove the sign of percent and we divide by 100. 28 divided by 100. Percent change into 100. ये वाला percent आपका change हुआ और ये नीचे आ गया 100. Clear? So yes, Sirjan, what happened? Yes, bolo. Sirjan, what happened? Okay, 28% means 28 upon 100. Clear? Now change into decimal. Now percent change into fraction. Now in the decimal you have to take out the answer in the decimal. Decimal, you cut 2 zeros and put decimal after 2 points. 1, 2. Put point here. So what is your answer? 0.28. Very good. So some girls asking me that, ma'am, why we put this 0? It is necessary. So answer is, this 0 is necessary because this is a protection for the point. There will be a point. So no number before point. So we have to put 0 for the protection of the point. Okay. See the next one. If we write 36%. So how to do? 36 upon 100. So cut 2 zeros and after 2 numbers we put point. So 0.36. Okay, 0.36. Clear? Very good. समझ में आ गया? So first, earlier we have cleared the formula. If our formulas are clear, then we have no problem in doing the questions. So always remember. Now one question I'll give you. Do this one. If 22.5%, you have to change into decimal. Change into decimal. Do now and tell me fast. Yes, very good. Stuti, Shivpriya, very good. Right answer. No, Vanshika, wrong. Ariana, right? Arshdeep, wrong. Arshpreet, right. Samanya, right. Good. All right, all right. Okay. Sunana, Priyanshi, right, right. Paramita, wrong answer. Diksha, wrong answer. Diksha Chaudhary. Samreen, wrong answer. Yes, rest all right. Vedika, Rutvi, all right. Okay. Now see here. 22. Now see how to do it. 22.5 divided by 100. We have to write the 100 because percentage is there. Okay. Now you have to remove the point, and after point how many numbers? One number. So you have to put point 0 down. Then you have what? Now you have to change into the decimal. 3 zeros cut. 1, 2, 3. Put point here. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to put pointer. Your answer is 0.225. Your answer is 0.225. No percentage. Wrong. Diksha Mannat. Percentage नहीं लगाएंगे हम बेटा. Okay. Now, next question. Express the following percentage as fraction. Now your question is percentage change into fraction. Okay. Now your question is 32%. 32% you have to change into fraction. So 32 upon 100, because percentage is there. If percentage is with the number, you have to remove the percentage and write in the denominator. Okay, percentage means 100. Percent means 100. So percent हटा के हम वो 100 जो है वो नीचे लगा देंगे denominator में. Okay. Now 32 upon 100. Now in the fraction. So this is a fraction. 32 upon 100 is a fraction. So if you want to cut it, you can cut it. Cut it. If you cut with the 2 16s are, 2 50s are, 2 8s are 16, 2 25s are. So what is your answer? 8 upon 25 is the answer. 8 upon 25 is the answer. Okay, good. Yes, it means you understood well. Very good, girls. Very good. Okay, next part is, if I write, okay, do it. 41%, give me the answer of 41%. First, in the fraction, you have to convert into fraction. Convert into fraction. First. Yes, 41 upon 100, very good. So it is 41 upon 100. So 41 is a prime number, so we cannot cut with any number. No, not in decimal. Question is percentage as fraction. Your answer is in fraction only, not in decimal. So आपका यही answer होगा. 41 upon 100. Okay. Now do 25%. Do 25% fast. 25%. Do 25% fast. 1 by 4. Very good. Very good answer. 25 upon 100. So you cut it. 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. So answer is 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Very good. It means you understood well. Now next question. Okay. Question number 6. Express the percentage as ratio. Now you have to convert percentage into ratio. Okay. Ratio means fraction. So 16%. Your question is 16%. So आप क्या लिखोगे इसको? 16 upon 100. Fraction हो गया. Now you have to cut it. 2 8s are 16. 2 50s are. 2 4s are. 2 25s are. So what is your answer in the fraction? 4 upon 25. So how you write in the ratio? 4 ratio 25. 4 ratio 25. This is your answer. So 4 ratio 25. Very good. Very good, girls. Means you understood. Okay. 4 ratio 25. Very good. Okay, I'll give you one question. I'll give you. Here 55%. Do 55% fast. 55% करो. Yes, 55%. Very good. 11:20. So how we have done? 55 upon 100. Okay. Now cut it. 5 11s are and 5 2s are 10 and 0. So what is the ratio? 11:20. 11:20. Very good, girls. Very good. You understand all the questions? How we change fraction, decimals, ratio in percentage. So we have done. Yes, Sirjan. Wait. Bolo. Yes, Sirjan. Bolo. Unmute yourself, Sirjan. Again, she is cut, I think. Yes, Samanya. Yes, Samanya, bolo.
Ma'am, I want
B
to
part.
ask, excuse me, ma'am.
But Sirjan, your voice is not, I'm not hearing your voice. हाँ जी बोलो बेटा, सामान्य बोलो.
Ma'am, I want to ask that as the all papers are coming in Google Class, so how the paper of computer will come? Computer and art.
That you will know afterwards. Okay. Now please concentrate in your maths. Afterwards we will intimate you. First concentrate in your maths. Mute yourself. So all of you understood how we change what we have now, what we have done, fractions, decimals and ratio. We have changed into percentage. We have changed into percentage. So हमने क्या किया? We have multiplied with 100. We have multiplied with 100. Yes. So, and what we have done again? We have done change percentage into. किसमें change किया हमने? Decimals, fractions and ratio. So when we percentage change into decimal, fraction and ratio, we have to divide with 100. You please write down somewhere in your copy in the very beginning of this chapter is this exercise, because this in this chapter different chapters are there. Okay, so every exercise with a new chapter. So different chapters are included in one chapter. So now this is a percentage. So when you start the percentage, you have to write the full introduction. What is percentage? And percent means 100. Percent means 100. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Percent का क्या मतलब होता है? 100. ठीक है? Then how we change, how we convert fraction, decimal and ratio questions. When we convert into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. We have to multiply with 100. And opposite of that, if the percentage is given and you have to change into decimal, fraction or in ratio, then you have to divide with 100. दिमाग में रखो, जब क्वेश्चन के साथ परसेंटेज दिया होता है नंबर के साथ, वो अपने परसेंटेज हटाकर नीचे 100 लिखना डिनोमिनेटर में. ठीक है, ये दिमाग में रखो हमेशा, कभी क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं होगा. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? इज इट क्लियर? Now anything you want to ask me? Yes, Vedika, bolo. Yes, Vedika, what happened?
Yes.
Hanji.
I want to
Yes,
ask same question on this exercise.
Which question? Which question, beta? Vedika, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, B at 0.596.
0.596. Okay. Okay, I'll do it.
Yes.
Okay, question number 2, D part, 0.596. 0.596. So you have to convert decimal into percentage. Your question is decimal change into percent. So percent में change करने के क्या करेंगे हम? 596 upon 1000 लिख देंगे हम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 था, point था, point हटा दिया हमने. ठीक है. Then परसेंटेज में चेंज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? मल्टीप्लाई 100. सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 100.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
20 कैंसिल हो गए. क्या रह गया आपके पास? 596 अपॉन 10 रह गया है ना. तो एक 10 का एक 0 कट करो और ऊपर पॉइंट लगा दो. तो क्या बन गया? 59.6%. 59.6%. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes, Simarpreet. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please explain first question again.
Okay. Now see here. In first question, fraction into percent. ध्यान से सुनना. Fraction change into percentage. Fraction क्या है आपकी? 14 upon 33. Now you have to change into